Hello everyone, I am Sai Jason here. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the weight comparison between the iPhone 12 Pro Max versus the Mi 11X device. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using Mi 11X. So let's see, friends, which phone will be the best option and what will be the weight of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this is a testing which I wanted to do because iPhone 12 Pro Max is kind of very much premium in mobile phone. I know it does feel and look premium when you're trying to hold, but there's a couple of things which you need to remember, that the weight. So let's see, friends, in this video let's compare how will it be compared with the normal mid-range or close to higher range mobile phones like the Mi 11X device. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more videos which are uploaded on each and every smartphone which are reviewed in my channel. So I did a camera comparison between both phones as well. I'll be uploading that video very soon, so stay tuned for that video in case if you are interested to know about the cameras. So it is a weighing machine, friends, which I got here. So let's see, let's compare the weight between the both phones. So which phone will be having the better weight? So the build quality looks premium in the iPhone, but the weight on the Mi 11X is really less, 197 grams, as you can see, friends, clearly. So now let's test the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So iPhone 12 Pro Max is of 237 grams. So that's a huge difference between the both phones. So it's kind of close to 40 grams more on this iPhone 12 Pro Max device, as you can clearly see, friends. So definitely the premium quality also matters. iPhone is kind of very good in terms of the premium quality. But this video is just a basic video where I'll be just comparing only the weight of the both phones. I'm not comparing any build quality or any of those things, just the weight comparison between the both the phones. So in case of any comparison, so make sure to comment below. I'll definitely plan to do those videos as well in the future. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and stay tuned for more videos. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.